Hello, my name is Alexis Herrera Romero. I have 27 years old. I am a student of business administrator and work in Postobal. I live with my wife and my pet to continue my travel to Melgar. The last weekend, I visited to Melgar. Uh, with my wife, we separate the flight tickets and advance. We stayed in a hotel 2 blocks from the principal park. It was 4 fabulous days. We meet the Melgar. We visited the water park, and we also swam with my wife. We tenant all bodies and ate typical dishes of the region. They made one typical drinks of the region and bought souvenirs away from the principal park and more economical. And we returned with very nice memories. Melgar weathers. Melgar is famous for the warm weathers in its beautiful women. Johnson were bit cloudy. The night was similar to sunny because it was very cool. The night was similar to sunny because it was very cool. Johnson wear one good blanket. The night was cloudy as in Bogota, and I can watch the stars. The afternoon was sunny and the sunset was beautiful. Remember to use sunscreen. The best is the morning was of excellent alarm clock. My favorite activity in the travel was drawing up tequila with ice and roots for the ice cream. We went good to be hard records well as they had freezing ground. And the last first day was muddy because in handwriting. The days usually was of cool weather. The ball. In resume, in faced what emotions I am very happy with our travel finished. I have picked a so entertaining destination. Your home to travel to Melgar is a city excellent for its vacation. You want to visit the parts of the swimming pools because it's beautiful, but you should use a life jacket to be sure you all typical food of the region is delicious, and you too carry your documents before of jet out is good if they outdoor separate your transport ticket in advance. Thank you.